Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys some Cajun mixed beans with ham hocks and some corn cakes. Alright, these are the ingredients you're going to be needing. You're going to need a bag of these right here. And these are, how many ounces of these? I believe it's 1 pound bag. Okay? So you're going to need these. You're going to need some ham hocks. I got 2 of these. Nice size ham hocks right over here. And you do need to wash these off, guys. Okay? You got to wash these off. You're going to need some milk for the corn cakes, some butter, and I always put a little A1 steak sauce in my beans. I have some vanilla, and I'm going to use probably like 2 tablespoons of sugar in these corn cakes. You're going to need 1 egg for that too as well, and a cup of milk. Right here is like 2.5 cups of water that I'm going to pour up in here. Now normally I cook my stuff in my pressure cooker, but I'm just making this for you guys. So just in case you guys don't have a pressure cooker, you can also cook it in the pot. Okay, that's how all our ancestors did it. So that's how I'm going to be doing this. So let me go ahead and wash this up. We're going to let this cook without the beans, because I got to cook my ham hock for about a good hour. Okay, and then we just going to put our beans in there and let it cook for another hour and a half. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're just going to go ahead and mix this stuff up. It's probably like 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal. This is by Martha White. Okay. That's that. We'll get us some sugar. 1, 2 of that. We're going to take us some milk, this cup. Now you can mix that flour and not the flour, but that cornmeal and the sugar together if you want to. Before pouring the milk in there. That's all you're doing, guys, just mixing this up. Okay, take an egg, put that in there. Incorporate that in there real good. Now, your butter, you may want to melt your butter down a little bit. It's probably use like half of this. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. You're going to put that in there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and melt this down and put that in here. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I melted down my butter. Sorry about that much. If you don't have butter, you can use like some, what I want to say, you can use like some vegetable oil. And make sure your butter is cooled off before you pour it in here, okay? Because you don't want to cook the eggs up in there. You have scrambled eggs up in there, right? Alright. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take us a teaspoon of vanilla. just gonna mix that up, guys. While our ham hocks going and all that good stuff, you can, if you want to, soak these for about an hour or whatever while the ham hocks going, or overnight, so it won't take so long to cook. But it cooks, breaks down the cooking time when you soak them. Okay, about how we want it right there. We don't want it too thick or too runny. These are corn cakes, aka whole cakes, however you want to say them, say it or whatever. But anyway, all right, guys. When them ham hocks get done, I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. These are the ham hocks. Like, you can't even see that. I had it up too high, I guess. So I did soak my beans in some water. I'm just gonna put these in here like so. We're just gonna cook that guy for about like an hour and a half. Knock some of these off of here so they can get cooked. And also, I didn't show you, but I like to add a little chicken broth, or you can add some bouillon cube. Yeah, bouillon in it, or whatever the case may be. I'm just going to add some of this in there, probably like 1 pound, just to rise above the ham hocks. Just like that, guys. And this seasoning package right here, this Cajun seasoning package, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use half of this, because it will get spicy on you now. If you like really spicy food, then by all means go right ahead and add the full package. I'm going to put some of this chicken bouillon in there as well. Just like that, guys. Okay? That's what that's by Goya. We're just going to let this cook, guys. About an hour and a half. All right. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. It's been an hour. So for the next half an hour, I want to put this seasoning in it. I told you I'm going to use half because I put the chicken bouillon and chicken broth. So I'm going with half of this in there. And that's it. Save the other half for something else. Alright, turn this back down a little bit. I'm just gonna let this cook, guys. Yep. The meat is fall off the bone, as you can see. Alright. Just get done. Set it up. Show you guys how it looks. I'll probably chop up a little red bell pepper or something. Put a little garnish on it. Give it a little extra boost, a little taste. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. We'll go ahead and make these corn cakes up. Put a little oil in there. Like so. Put this around in there. I'm on medium heat. Alright, maybe I should have let that warm up a little bit more. Turn it up some. And beans are done. Like I said, it's thickened up. So that's that. I always do my corn cakes last because you don't want them sitting up getting cold, right? So I'll be right back when it's warm up in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. You see how it's bubbling around there? Like that? That's when you know it's time to flip it. So we're just gonna come up in here. Now these might not turn out right because I should have waited till it got heated up enough. Ooh. When you get a little situation like that, don't go ahead and mess with nothing, okay? We're gonna fix it. You can always fix it. Like that. May need some more oil in there. So we pretty much gonna cook them like on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium. Okay. Now with mine, when mine get done, I normally put like butter on mine. You can use some ghee butter if you want. It tastes awesome. So I'll probably put a little of that on there. Soak in there. Like so. I'm gonna need some more oil over in here. It won't get done like it's supposed to. So yeah, make sure your skillet gets hot enough before you get to pouring your batter in there. So like I'm gonna have to probably end up washing this back out because I got a little debris right here from this side. Because I didn't let the skillet get hot like I supposed to. Oh well, it happens. It's called cooking. Russian. That's what I was doing, rushing. So I'm gonna flip this again. These are corn cakes. Press down on them a little bit. Make sure you ain't got no undone stuff in there. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up and put everything together and let you see what we got in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done. Here's my mixed bean soup right here. See if you guys can see that. Right here. These right here is a piece of the ham hocks. Show you this cornbread, corn cakes. Those down right there. All right. So guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGG'S Kitchen. I'm out.